Imagine a treatment that could revolutionize the way we purify water, clean the air, and even strengthen our health, all with a powerful resource from nature itself, ozone. In today's video, I will reveal why this substance, formed only by oxygen, is one of the most promising and versatile alternatives in the world of health, cleaning, and sustainability. Let's explore how ozone acts against germs and toxins, transforming water, environments, and even our bodies. Do you want to know why more and more people are looking for ozone as a solution for a healthier and safer lifestyle? Stay with me until the end to discover everything this superoxidant can do for you. So, before we dive into the details, take advantage and click the like button to give it a boost. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on health and well-being. This way, you guarantee that you will always receive first-hand content that can transform your routine. Let's explore the incredible world of ozone together. Ozone is a molecule composed of 3 oxygen atoms, O3, making it one of the allotropic forms of oxygen, that is, a molecular form of the same element but with different structures and properties. This molecule is highly unstable because the bond of the 3rd oxygen atom is fragile and tends to break easily, making ozone one of the most powerful oxidizing agents in nature. Its unique structure gives ozone extremely important properties for life on the planet and for various biological and industrial processes. In nature, ozone is primarily found in the stratosphere, where it forms the so-called ozone layer, located between 15 and 35 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This layer is created by the impact of the sun's ultraviolet radiation on oxygen molecules, O2, which are broken and recombined into ozone molecules, O3. The ozone layer has a vital function. It acts as a filter that absorbs between 97% and 99% of high-energy ultraviolet radiation, UVB and UVC, emitted by the sun, thus protecting living beings from harmful effects such as burns, genetic mutations, and skin cancer development. Without this layer, life, as we know it, would likely not exist on land. In medicine, ozone has been used for decades in a treatment known as ozone therapy. This procedure employs a controlled mixture of oxygen and ozone for therapeutic purposes. Since ozone is a very potent oxidizing agent, it can help eliminate bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making it useful in treating infections and hard-to-heal wounds. It is also utilized in treatments aimed at improving blood circulation, relieving pain, and modulating the immune response. However, ozone therapy is a controversial field, as ozone can be toxic to the human body when administered incorrectly. In the industrial field, ozone is widely used for water purification. In water treatment plants, it is employed to oxidize contaminants and eliminate pathogenic microorganisms, serving as an alternative to chlorine since it does not leave toxic residues in the environment. Furthermore, ozone is used in the food industry to disinfect surfaces and extend the shelf life of perishable products, as it helps slow the growth of microorganisms and the degradation process of certain foods. Ozone is, therefore, a multifaceted substance, vital for the planet's protection while also being a potentially powerful agent for promoting health and well-being. Below, we detail first method, systemic ozone therapy, autohemotherapy with ozone. In systemic ozone therapy, a small amount of the patient's blood is drawn, mixed with a controlled concentration of ozone, and then rain-fused into the body. This process stimulates the immune system, helping combat bacterial, viral, and fungal infections while promoting the release of antioxidants. Studies suggest that ozone autohemotherapy can benefit patients with chronic diseases such as arthritis, multiple sclerosis, and fibromyalgia due to its potential to reduce inflammation and relieve pain. Second method, local applications. Ozone for wound healing and disinfection. Ozone's antimicrobial properties make it effective in treating infected wounds and hard-to-heal ulcers. When applied locally in the form of gas, ozonized water, or ozonized oil, ozone can destroy bacteria, fungi, and viruses, creating an environment conducive to tissue regeneration. This makes it particularly useful in hospitals for treating chronic wounds and diabetic lesions, which carry a high risk of infection. Ozone also accelerates healing by stimulating local circulation and improving oxygenation in the affected tissues. Third method, ozone for oral health. Dentistry has increasingly adopted ozone for treating periodontal diseases, gingivitis, and cavities. The application of ozone in dental clinics eliminates harmful microorganisms without the need for antibiotics and has shown promising results in disinfecting root canals. Using ozonized water for mouth rinses or applying ozonized oil directly to teeth and gums helps prevent infections and inflammation, promoting overall oral health. Fourth method, rectal ozone insufflation. For therapeutic purposes, rectal ozone insufflation involves introducing a mixture of ozone and oxygen directly into the intestine. Studies show that this technique improves nutrient absorption and regulates the gut microbiota, contributing to immune system balance. This method is commonly used to treat inflammatory bowel diseases such as colitis and irritable bowel syndrome, as well as to provide a detoxifying effect on the body. Fifth method, ozone therapy for respiratory diseases. Although ozone can be harmful if inhaled in high concentrations, controlled amounts administered through specialized devices can benefit the respiratory system. In people with asthma, chronic bronchitis, and other lung conditions, ozone helps combat infections and reduce airway inflammation. Ozone therapy in this context must be performed by specialists using specific equipment to ensure patient safety. Sixth method, ozone in aesthetics, cellulite treatment, and skin rejuvenation. In aesthetics, ozone is widely used for its regenerative and detoxifying properties. The gas can be applied directly to the skin or through ozonized oils to treat cellulite, wrinkles, and skin laxity. Ozone activates blood circulation and improves tissue oxygenation, which can aid in collagen and elastin production, promoting firmer and healthier skin. Additionally, ozone therapy is considered a non-invasive alternative for individuals seeking chemical-free treatment options. Seventh method, intra-articular ozone therapy for pain relief. In treating joint pain, particularly in patients with arthritis and other inflammatory joint conditions, intra-articular ozone therapy has shown good results. When injected directly into the joint, ozone acts as an anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and relieving pain. Many patients report significant improvements in mobility after treatment, making it an appealing alternative to conventional medications. Eighth method, ozone in cancer treatment, supportive therapy. While ozone is not a cure for cancer, some doctors use ozone therapy as a complement to traditional treatments. By increasing oxygenation in the body, ozone may help reduce tumor cell growth, as these cells tend to thrive in low-oxygen environments. Additionally, ozone aids in detoxifying the body by removing waste and helping the immune system respond more effectively against cancer. However, this use should only be pursued under strict medical supervision as a supportive therapy. Ninth method, ozone for infection control and pathogen elimination. Ozonized water is an effective and safe disinfectant for healthcare treatments as it eliminates bacteria, fungi, and viruses without causing microbial resistance, a growing concern with excessive antibiotic use. In clinics, hospitals, and even at home, ozonized water can be used to clean wounds, prevent infections, and sanitize medical instruments. Amid pandemics and rising infectious diseases, ozone stands out as an alternative for ensuring safer and more hygienic environments. 10th method, ozone in water treatment. How does water ozonation work? In the ozonation process, ozone is generated using a device called an ozone generator, which transforms oxygen, O2, into ozone, O3, using electricity or ultraviolet radiation. The ozone is then injected directly into the water, where it acts on unwanted particles. Upon contact with water, Ozone rapidly oxidizes contaminants, attacking the cellular structure of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes it extremely effective at eliminating pathogens and other biological agents. One of ozone's major advantages is that, after oxidizing contaminants, main benefits of ozone water treatment. First, effective and fast disinfection. Ozone is considered far more effective than chlorine, as it can quickly eliminate bacteria, viruses, parasites, and other microorganisms. It destroys pathogens like E. coli and Salmonella in seconds, while chlorine may take several minutes. Second, removal of chemical residues. In addition to microorganisms, ozone oxidizes chemical residues, pesticides, heavy metals, and other impurities that may be present in water, improving its final quality. It is also effective in removing volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and substances that affect taste and odor, resulting in purer water. Third, no toxic residues. Unlike other processes, such as chlorination, ozone treatment leaves no toxic residues. When decomposed, ozone reverts to oxygen, reducing the risk of harmful byproducts in water and the environment. Fourth, rapid action and short duration. Ozone acts quickly, making the treatment process efficient and cost-effective. Although highly reactive, ozone also degrades in a short time, leaving water ready for consumption shortly after treatment. Fifth, improved taste and odor. Ozone enhances the organoleptic quality of water, eliminating unpleasant odors and tastes caused by algae, organic compounds, and other contaminants. Applications of ozone in water treatment. Ozone treatment is widely used in various contexts, from providing drinking water to treating industrial and wastewater. In drinking water, ozone is used in water treatment plants as a disinfection step to eliminate contaminants before water is distributed for human consumption. In swimming pools, ozone is a popular alternative to chlorine in pools because it does not generate byproducts that irritate the skin and eyes, offering safer and more natural disinfection. In bottled water, in the bottled water industry, ozone is used to ensure purity and microbiological safety, as well as to preserve the product's taste and quality. In industrial effluent treatment, in industrial sectors, ozone is used to treat effluents and reduce contaminant loads before water is discharged or reused, especially in industries like food, beverage, textile, and pharmaceuticals. Comparison with other treatment methods. Ozone competes with traditional disinfection methods such as chlorine, ultraviolet light, and filtration. While chlorine is effective, it can form toxic byproducts known as trihalomethanes, THMs, which are potentially carcinogenic. Ultraviolet radiation, though effective against pathogens, does not remove chemical compounds or solid particles. Ozone, on the other hand, offers a versatile and non-toxic solution that provides disinfection and oxidation in a single step. Challenges and limitations. Despite its high effectiveness, ozone treatment has some challenges. One is the initial cost, as ozone generators can be expensive. Additionally, ozone must be generated on-site since it is unstable and cannot be stored or transported. The equipment also requires proper maintenance, as high concentrations of ozone can be toxic to humans. Final considerations. Ozone water treatment is a safe and efficient technique for purification and disinfection, offering a sustainable and residue-free alternative. In a global scenario where water quality is becoming an increasing priority, ozone represents an advanced and promising technology for ensuring water safety. And now, tell me in the comments, what surprised you the most about ozone's power? Don't forget to give this video a like to help spread this information, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next updates. There's so much more amazing content to share with you about health and quality of life. See you in the next video.